Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Eclectic Niche. So today I'll be sharing with you a remedy for coughs and cold. So about I say 5 years ago, no, I think about 6 years ago, usually when my son has his coughs and colds, it could lead him to start, vomiting, and he really be ill. So every time that happened, I would take him to the GP and they kept on giving him antibiotics. And I didn't like that because I didn't want him to be resistant to the antibiotics. So somebody spoke to me about a remedy for coughs and colds. So she said just basically mix manuka honey and lime or lemon, and the cold will be as good as gone. So I tried it. I would administer like 3 spoons, every 3 spoons, morning, afternoon, and night. And by the next day, he'll be fine, and I will probably continue that for, the course of 3 days. And this is what I have been doing. But today, okay, I'm going to be introducing another method which is equally very effective. In fact, it is very effective. If I want to rate it within a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate it a 9. Okay, so today the only difference today is that I'll be adding in onions and garlic. I'll be adding in onions and garlic. The reason why I'm doing this is because onions have been known to have an antihistamine effect. So they are anti-inflammatory, and it's been shown that when you take onions, it helps enlarge your bronchi so that you can start you breathe properly and all that. And it's also good for people with asthma. That's what studies have shown, because of its antihistamine effect. So it inhibits the histamine in the blood cells. Okay, and also because of that, because of the Q-serine that it has. So I'm going to be adding that into the mix. And this time around, the lemons, I'm not just going to squeeze out the liquids from the lemons. I'm going to be adding in the peels, because the peels have been shown to contain 2 times more of the vitamins, the minerals that the limes or lemons actually have. So it contains 2 times the goodness. So I'm going to be blending everything up together alongside with the onions, garlic, and I'm going to be adding honey. So this honey actually is from Nigeria, okay? It's from Nigeria, and the reason why I'm using it is because it's direct, it's not been adulterated. It's direct from, the bee source. When you pour it in a cup, you can actually see some bee remnants in there. So you either use this or you use manuka honey. Manuka honey is very potent. It's very potent. Don't go using rouse. No. Rouse is a no. If you try, I actually tried that one day because I know manuka honey is quite expensive. It ranges from, I think, 20 pounds, and it goes up. I think if you have the 18 plus, 20 plus. So the higher the grade, okay, the more expensive it gets. So I just said, I think I'd run out that day, and I decided to use the rouse. And my God, it didn't work. It didn't work at all. Usually, if I administer them the remedy to my kids, it doesn't take, I'd say, 2 days. They'll be fine, and nothing happened. So you guys, you need pure honey, okay? Manuka honey, I would recommend. It does wonders. Or you can get pure honey from the source like I have done here, okay? So guys, I'm going to be mixing and blending all these ingredients together, okay, with the honey. I'm going to be using the blender because I want to pack, twice the punch. I want it to contain majority of the nutrients which we need. So it's going to contain 2 times. And now, the fruits that we produce these days don't, the fruits that were produced 10 years ago, in comparison to now, it isn't as nutrient packed as we want. So we want to make sure we have all the nutrients that we're going to get from the goodness of this lime. So I'm going to be blending it now. Okay, hold on a second. Let me just grab the So guys, as you can see, I've cut the lime in smaller pieces so that the blender can blend them quickly. Okay, so I'm going to pop them right into the blender. So I'm adding half a cup of water in order to aid the blending process. Okay, not too much water. So you blend it until you have a good consistent mix. You want all the solids properly blended. Okay. So this is how I've poured it into this mug. So this is how it is. Everything is blended in now. The onions, the lemon, the garlic. So I'm going to be administering the onions, not the onions, sorry, the honey. I'm going to be pouring half a cup of honey into this. Okay, and I'm going to mix it all up together. So I'm making a very big batch. So I'm going to be pouring this in now. I think I'll just not pour. I think that's fine. Probably you can do with a quarter of a cup. Okay, so I'm just going to mix till I get a very good consistency. So this is what you come up with. Okay, a healthy source of curing your cold. So I'm going to be administering this mixture. I'm just going to be giving about just 2 tablespoons 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night, and it's going to zap that cough and cold. So we all know the back of a lime, it is really, 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 really bitter. So I'm going to be giving my son about 2 spoons now, because I think the honey is very, very sweet, has a very sweet taste. So I think that would douse the bitterness of the lime. So I'm just going to be giving him 2 spoons now, and he's going to tell me what he thinks. Okay, go on. Yeah, swallow it all up. Good boy. Okay, take another spoon. Good. So what do you think, boy? What do you think, darling? Say something.
It's quite good. I can feel the sour lemon.
You can taste the sour lemon, isn't it? Yeah. Okay.
I can't taste the honey. I can't taste the.
But it's good for
onions.
You can't taste it. Yeah, that's very good. That's very good. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Please. Okay, and click on the notification button so that you can always keep abreast of the videos which I share. Thank you so much for your patience and for watching this video. God bless you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.